Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Allstate Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on the Allstate Drivewise application. So let's get started right away. Now you can delete your account from within the Allstate app by going into the settings and then searching for deactivate or delete your account. However, if you're not able to locate this option, then open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Once you open it up, tap on the search box and then type in Allstate Drivewise and start your search. Once you find the Allstate application, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the app support option. Tap on the drop down menu and you will see the email address that you can use in order to contact the support team. Tap on this email and then you can tap on your email application and this will allow you to type in your support email. Now within the subject section, type in delete my account, and within the main body you can just type in that you don't wish to use the Allstate application anymore and that you want your account to be deleted. You may also mention only your username within the body section and then tap on the send button at the top right corner to send your email address. Also make sure that you are sending the email from the email address that you used while signing up for your account. Once you do all of these and send your email, the support team will receive your support email and you will need to wait until the support team sends you a response. Once the response has been received, you can simply follow the instructions within and you will be able to delete your account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to delete your account on the Allstate Drivewise application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.